Hey y'all, this is T, and I just finished doing a Taurus reading, and I just have so much more to say. In that Taurus reading, right, a protector came up, and that protector came, in that reading, the protector came on as the physical shape of a dog. Everyone meet Daisy. Say hi, Daisy. She's focused on something else. Hey, like, this is Daisy. She never comes in on my readings. I think she came on once in my reading. I'm a Taurus, and my daughter is a Taurus. My daughter is a cancer survivor. Many of you don't know. She's a cancer survivor. She was diagnosed with a germinoma brain tumor when she was 12 years old. She went through the surgery, not even for to remove the tumor, because the location of the tumor, they couldn't do it. But they needed to understand what type of treatment this tumor will work for, like what type of, so they did a biopsy. This biopsy changed the whole trajectory of her life, At the same time, because I'm not going to go into her business because she's an adult now and she's doing well. But at the same time, she was gifted Daisy. While she was in a separate rehabilitation center by herself at 13, 12, 13, because she's told 13 days later, at 12, 13 years old, learning how to talk, walk again, in her new body, she was gifted Daisy. In the interim of her treatment, after that, she needed to go through radiation and chemotherapy. Guess who went through that with her? If some of you know that there's certain treatments that you can bring home. My daughter would come home with the backpack of the treatment with her port, and who would be in her lap? Who turned gray? Whose hairs turned gray when my daughter's hair fell out? Who developed a limp in their right leg when my daughter had a stroke on her right side, on her left side of her brain, so the right side of her body was weak? Who developed a weakness on the right side of their body? When her allergies fucked her up, who's walking around the house itchy, just you gotta get special shampoo and special cream for her. She is her protector. She is her everything. Right now, Daisy is 13 years old, and sometimes our pets come to us in great times of need, when we need that support. Who is Daisy really? What makes you think?